Hello and welcome from Keyboard Push. In this video tutorial, I'm going to walk you through a very exciting feature of Keyboard Push, Chatbot Automation. Now let's start with what is Chatbot Automation in Keyboard Push. Chatbots are virtual assistants which are deployed on your Facebook Messenger page to converse with end users. Now these bots will work for you 24/7, speeding up customer resolutions. They act as an extension of your support teams. Keyboard Chatbot Automation helps you design your custom bots. Custom bots will ask right questions to automatically prioritize and route new conversations for more efficient support. Let me first show you a demo of how the chatbot works. I'm going to walk you through a chatbot that is a health interactive service for COVID-19. So here is a page COVID alert, and a chatbot has been deployed on this page to assist people with information regarding COVID-19. I'm going to click on Get Started. Okay, so this is the first set of information and options that are provided by the chatbot. It says, hello, thanks for getting in touch. I'm your virtual assistant to give you tips and education on coronavirus. Then there is a related video from CDC, and here are some options that will guide users to have their desired query answered. For example, here I'm looking how to protect myself from COVID-19. I'm going to tap Protect Yourself. And here comes information regarding how we can protect ourselves from this virus. Along with that, there are other related topics that I can tap and get relevant information. So basically, COVID Alert Chatbot helps to answer a lot of user queries, and it also helps to prevent any misinformation or misguidance. Next, I'm going to show how you can create your custom chatbot and deploy it on your page. Okay, I'm going to create a chatbot, and it will be there only for testing purpose. Go to keyboardchat.cloudkeyboard.com, and under automation, you can see Chatbot Automation. Here I am on the Chatbot Automation screen, and as you can see here, you can either modify an existing chatbot or you can create a new chatbot. I'm going to create a new chatbot on my test page, Learn with Fun. Click on Create. Okay, this lands me to the welcome block here. We start with the welcome message, which will be displayed when user clicks on Get Started on our page or writes on one of the mentioned trigger words. Trigger words that I'll provide here are hello, health, there, start, interest, books. Give your welcome message here. Over here, I'm going to write, welcome young readers. I'm a virtual assistant, and I'm going to help you meet your next favorite book here. Let me know which genre you're interested in. In the attachment field, you can provide an image, a video, or a URL. If you provide a short YouTube video less than 25 MB, it will be played in the Messenger. Longer videos will be sent as a card with link that will redirect users to YouTube. Facebook video has no such limit, and no matter how big they are, they will always play inside the Messenger. By Facebook video, we mean any video shared on Facebook publicly, and it should not be the URL of any live video. You can also provide any other valid URLs here, which will be sent to the user as a card. I'll provide a Goodreads URL here, since this is a test chatbot which I'm making only for tutorial purpose. You can also attach a button with a card. The button requires a title and a URL. So once you are done entering the information here, click on Save Changes. Our first block has been created. Now I want to create 3 children from this block. Click on Add Child to create the first child from this block. Click on Add Child. The first child that I want to create is fiction. Click on Add. This is the block that I've created, and I'm going to click here on it and add its information. I can add its related triggers, add text here, and in the attachment Again, you can provide a video, a YouTube video, a Facebook video, or any other valid URL. Over here, the back button will include a quick reply that navigates back to the parent block in Messenger. And if you click on the home button, it is going to navigate you to the welcome message block in the Messenger. I'm going to add a home button here and click on Save Changes. Click on this arrow to go back to the parent. So we've created 2 blocks so far. There's a welcome block and 1 child fiction. I want to create another block which is going to be a child of welcome block. So I'm going to click on Add Child again. And this time I want to create a child with a title Non-Fiction. Click on Add. As you can see, the progress bar here shows how much Chatbot has been completed. That is all the blocks that have been saved. You can see here, I have an empty block and it shows up here. If there are empty blocks, this number will show up in the sidebar over here in the lower left corner. And clicking on the fixed link will take you to the empty block that needs to be completed. I'm going to add triggers here, the text and a URL. Again, I'm going to add the home button here and click on Save Changes. Go back to parent. We've created 3 blocks and we can view the tree structure by clicking on this icon. So this is my structure, this is my parent block and it has 2 children, fiction and non-fiction. I want to create 1 more child from welcome block. Click on cross to go back to this screen. And from the welcome block, I want to create 1 more child with the name children. Add. Again, click on children and add the information. Again, I'll add a home button and save changes. Okay, now, so before enhancing our chatbot, let's see how this looks like on Messenger. Over here with this icon, you can test the chatbot before publishing it on the Messenger. Click on Send to Messenger. And you will receive your first welcome block on the Messenger. With this button, you can publish the block and it will be accessible to all your subscribers. Let's go to the page. Okay, so this is my bot which says, welcome young readers, I'm a virtual assistant and I'm going to help you meet your next favorite book here. Which genre you're interested in? Let's click on fiction. Okay, so this is our information from the fiction block. The URL that we provided appears in the form of a card. The open button is going to redirect you to the link. This is my home button and clicking on the home button will reinitiate the chatbot. That is, it's going to take me back to the welcome block. Users can also view any particular block if they type any keyword that you have provided. For example, if I type children here, this is going to send me information from the children block. This is the home button that we have added with every block so that this reinitiates the chatbot. As you can see, for brevity, I've created a small test chatbot, but you should be designing your chatbot with an objective to quickly engage users and efficiently resolving their requests. The main work that is required here is to identify all the possible conversation scenarios and then design them in the form of blocks with relevant content. So this is all about chatbot automation for now. I'm sure you'll enjoy this feature. Stay connected with Chatbot Push. Have a nice day. Thank you.